Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download Turbo C, C++ into your Windows in a very simple way. What you can do, just simply pick any of your favorite browser and then here you just need to search for Turbo C++ download. If you click on that, and then you will get an option from Developer Insights and you will get download Turbo C++ for Windows 7, 8.1, 10 and 11. So if you click on that, then you'll get an option called Turbo C++ 3.2 from here. So if you click on the download Turbo, you can simply click on it as well. Also, if you scroll down a little bit, you will get the different operating systems option over here, and it's very easy to download. So I'll go for download Turbo C++. If you click on that, then you can see the downloading option is appeared over here. After a little bit of time, you will get Turbo C 3.2 zip folder over here. So if you now go for and click on the folder option over here, you'll come over here, and if you just click on the right mouse button, and then if you try to extract it, just simply click on show more option, and then you'll get this option called extract all. Please extract. After completing extraction, you will get this folder over here. So if you click on that, then you'll get option called setup over here, setup.exe. So if you click on it 2 times, and now preparing to install. So if you minimize all the background over here, and you can see that now the Turbo C++ 3.2 install shield wizard is appeared into your computer screen. Now if you click on next and click on I accept the terms in the license agreement, click break install another time, and now the installing Turbo C++ is running. And now there will be a permission, click yes for the permission. And you can see the installation wizard is completed, and now if you click on finish, it will open up into your computer. You can see here is your Turbo C++, and from here you can simply create a new project, also new source file, open project and open source file. All of these are start items, and if I just want to click start Turbo C++, I will do it very easily. Also there is two functionality. I will get the full screen mode. If you don't want to get the full screen mode, you can simply uncheck it, but I will going to see it into full screen mode. That's why I'm going to check it, and then I'm going to start Turbo C++. After a little bit of time, you can see the Turbo C++ is running into a computer. So now what we're going to do, or what we're going to show you, that if you interested to know how to use this C language, how to do with this, if you want to know, then simply leave a comment into the video comment section, and from there I will try to make another video about your interest. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.